Guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a skin bleaching video for you guys today. I normally have used the porcelana in the past, which is $10, but this Nadinola was, I think, $2 more at Walgreens, and it has 0.5% more ingredients than all the other skin bleach creams that I could find on the shelf. So this actually has 3% instead of 2.5 of all the ingredients. So I was like, I'm going to try this. I have not bleached my skin in years. And if you guys have been with me for so many years, you know that my skin used to look extremely flawless. It was more like the back of my hand right here, flawless. And now, I'm going to zoom you guys in. Now, I honestly think this camera kind of enhances all my imperfections, but it's good for you guys to see. But you can see all the redness, all the brown spots. I do have freckles, so that's what you see, a lot of these. But then again, at the same time, a lot of these are not freckles, they're age spots. And when you see somebody's, when you see somebody's skin like mine, you think automatically, oh, they're older than what they really are because they have all these marks and imperfections on their face. So I thought that I would only bleach like the worst part of my face today because I bleach my skin a little different than everybody else. I'm gonna push you back. Okay, so let's open this up. This is the Skin Discoloration Fade Cream. It looks just like this. I've never used this. It looks like a greenish tint. But no, it's actually the bottle that's a greenish tint. When you open it up, it is a very, very bright white. Wow, it actually smells good. It smells like roses. The porcelana stinks. It does, or actually the porcelana really doesn't have like an odor. This smells very, very pleasant. So I'm going to do, this is what I do, okay? This is a disclaimer right here. So this company does not say that you are supposed to apply it this way, and neither do any other companies say you're supposed to apply it this way. This is the way that I have applied skin bleaches for my skin for many years, and I find that this is a quicker way to get results in a shorter amount of time. I would honestly, if you don't want to try what I'm doing, then do what the box says. Go by the directions, because this is just personally how I bleach my skin. When you bleach your skin, it is a must, 1000% must. You have to wear sunscreen for a minimum of 7 days, after this. If you expose your skin to the sun rays, it will jack up your skin even 1,000 times more. Okay, so this is how I do it. I get it smells so good. Okay, let me zoom you guys in. Okay, so I get the cream, right? And I actually apply it like this. Now, it's kind of funny because it does not tell you how long you're supposed to keep this cream on. You guys are like, what the freak is she doing? She's going to burn her skin. And yes, afterwards, my skin is going to be tremendously red. Now, I do not apply it to my eyelids. Even though I have areas right there, you see some freckles on my eyelids. I do not do that, but I do bring it up here. Not too close. Okay, guys, so this is not a thin layer. This is an extremely, extremely thick layer. I find that I get more whitening quicker this way. Now, you can have that sensation of very uncomfortableness with these type of creams. I don't feel any uncomfortableness right now. It's just, it feels a little bit cooling to the skin. I'm going to come back in a few minutes and remove it and show you what my skin looks like after. Okay, guys, so I've had this on for exactly 1 hour and 15 minutes. I haven't touched my skin at all, and you guys can see how it looks like it's absorbed or it's like melted onto the skin. I got a wet, clean, it doesn't look clean, but it's clean, a wet, clean washcloth. I'm just going to wipe it off. Let's see if I have any redness to my skin. Do I have any irritation? Did the freckles dissipate a little bit? Okay, guys, so I just washed my face and dried it, and I can see a huge difference. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look, like, let me zoom you a little closer. So right here, do you notice how much more clear and nice it looks? Mind you, I washed both sides of my face. Look at this. Look at the texture. Look at the color. And look at the color right here. Isn't that a huge difference? I know, like, you're like, oh, well, you still see some spots and stuff. But for one application, for 1 hour and 15 minutes, look at the difference. So if I look this side, you still see all the redness. You see all the brown spots, and then you look at this side and you see it, but you don't see it as much. Let's just kind of compare. This is so much cleaner looking and clear, lighter. Huge difference if I compared this area to this area. I do in my skin, especially when you get closer. So I'm looking at this side. I did all of this side compared to this side. Let's go ahead and take a picture and look at that. Do you notice a difference? I think I do. And I know for a fact that if I continue to do this over the next few days, that my skin will look just so much more clean. I look a lot more youthful. Take off those years because of your lightening all those spots on your skin. I will post a link in the description box down below. It's just a few dollars to look younger. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me if this helped you. Really, what I honestly want to know is, did you see a difference? And if you guys really like these products, like I said, it will be in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you could, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button on the bottom down there and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. So I thought I would turn on the camera and show you guys what I look like the next day. You can see that I look very, very burnt all over. And the areas that I didn't put the cream, you can see they are still like my natural skin color. But this is why I tell you guys, you have to wear sunscreen, because if I go outside like this, it's just going to emphasize those spots. And if you're going to work, obviously you have to put some foundation on, preferably a full coverage foundation. I will get a little bit redder throughout the week as I'm bleaching my skin, but you won't notice it because I will be covering it up with a foundation. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys the aftermath.